Before normal door opening, check that the arming lever is in the disarmed position. Check that the cabin pressure indicator is not flashing. Hold the assist handle on the door frame. Lift the door control handle fully up. Push the door outward. Move the door forward by using the door assist handle. The door locks when it is in fully open position. For closing, push the gust lock and move the door rearward towards the frame. With the help of the door assist handle, pull the door in. Lower the control handle. The locking indicator turns from red to green, which indicates correct locking.